Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorials how to snap to midpoint. Okay, for example, I will create rectangle, and if you want to snap to midpoint, like I will create circle and move the circle into midpoint of this line object. You can use move tools, select the circle object, and then I will choose from the center point. Now you can move into midpoint at this icon. So you can see we have this midpoint icon. You can click to place. If you want to show this midpoint, you can tap DS, press enter. Will be show for drafting settings dialog box. In here you can see we have this entity snaps option. You can check for midpoint to show the midpoint mark on the object. After it, you can click apply and click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorials, how to snap to midpoint. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.